Hey everyone, VJ here, and let's dive into the ultimate space race. Not the one with rockets and astronauts, but the one happening right inside our own skulls. AI is advancing rapidly every day, but can it ever truly match the human brain? Are we moving toward a future where machines outthink us, or does the human mind remain the ultimate champion? Imagine a world where algorithms write poetry, robots compose symphonies, and machines diagnose diseases faster than any doctor. It's mind-blowing, right? But with all this artificial intelligence booming around us, it begs the question, is there something inherently unique about the human brain? Something that even the most advanced AI can't replicate? Let's settle this debate once and for all. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of AI and the human brain in this ultimate showdown. Let's kick off this battle with the raw power of pure processing. Imagine this. A supercomputer playing chess against a human grandmaster. The computer calculates millions of possible moves per second, evaluating every possible outcome with lightning speed. The human, well, they're still pushing pawns and hoping for the best. When it comes to sheer speed and computational muscle, AI has us beat, hands down. But here's the catch. Does being faster automatically make you smarter? Think about it this way. A cheetah can outrun a human, no contest. The human brain, while slower in some respects, is capable of things that AI can only dream of. So, while AI might be the Usain Bolt of the thinking world, we humans are more like marathon runners. We're in it for the long haul with a few creative detours along the way. Let's move from the realm of logic and calculations to the magical land of creativity. AI can create art, write music, and even pen screenplays. Feed it enough data, and it can churn out seemingly original works of art in seconds. But is it truly creative? Here's the thing about human creativity. It's messy, unpredictable, and often stems from the depths of our emotions and experiences. Think about your favorite song, painting, or book. It likely resonates with you because it reflects something deeply human: joy, sorrow, love, or even anger. These are emotions that AI, at least for now, can only simulate. So, while AI might be able to create impressive imitations, it's the human heart and soul that infuse art with true meaning. Round 2 goes to humans for our messy, brilliant, and utterly irreplaceable creativity. Round 3, emotions and intuition. Let's get touchy-feely, shall we? This time we're diving into the murky waters of emotions and intuition. Now AI can process and analyze data to understand human emotions. It can even predict our emotional responses with surprising accuracy. But here's the million-dollar question. Can AI actually feel those emotions? Think about falling in love. It's irrational, exhilarating, and sometimes downright terrifying. We humans are a tangle of emotions, and these emotions influence our decisions, our relationships, and our creativity. AI, on the other hand, operates on logic and algorithms. So when it comes to the messy, unpredictable world of emotions and intuition, humans take the lead. Round 5. Learning and adaptability. Okay, let's give credit where credit is due. When it comes to learning new information, AI is like a sponge, soaking up knowledge at an astonishing rate. Feed it a terabyte of data, and it can master a new language, learn to play an instrument, or even write code. But here's the catch. AI needs structured data to learn. Humans, on the other hand, are masters of improvisation. We learn from our mistakes, from our experiences, and sometimes just from stumbling around in the dark. Think about a child learning to ride a bike. They don't need a complex algorithm explaining balance and physics. They fall, they get back up, and they try again. That kind of adaptable, experience-based learning is something AI hasn't quite mastered yet. So, while AI might be the undisputed champion of data absorption, humans still hold the upper hand when it comes to adaptable, experience-driven learning. Round 5, problem solving and ethics. It's time for the final showdown, the ultimate test problem solving and ethical decision making. Now, AI can analyze data, identify patterns, and even offer solutions to complex problems. But there's one crucial element that even the most advanced AI lacks: a moral compass. Can a machine understand the value of human life? Can it grapple with the ethical implications of a self-driving car faced with an impossible choice? See, humans don't just solve problems, we solve them within a framework of ethics, values, and a deep understanding of the human condition. AI, for all its brilliance, is still bound by the rules we program into it. It can optimize for a desired outcome, but it can't understand the nuances of human morality. Round 5 and the ultimate victory goes to the humans. Chapter 6. The Future of Intelligence. So there you have it, folks. AI is powerful, but the human brain is still the real MVP. AI will assist, enhance, and even challenge us, but it can't replace human wisdom, emotions, and creativity. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI with humans. What do you think? Will AI ever surpass us, or will the human mind remain supreme? Comment below. Let's keep this conversation going. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep those brains firing and those imaginations soaring.